Hey everyone, welcome to my Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the splash screen on AFK Arena. So let's get started. First, open the AFK Arena game on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon from the top left corner of your screen. Now, tap on the settings option. Here, in the user settings section, you can find the splash screen option. Tap on it. Use the arrows pointing right and left to find the splash screen you prefer. Once you find the one you prefer, tap on the confirm button. After confirming, the game will ask you to restart. Tap on the confirm button to restart and apply the new splash screen. And this is how you can change the splash screen on AFK Arena. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.